all get caught in our own sins.
Nobody.
Sometimes I have to remind myself that on my worst day, I live like somebody on their greatest. Don't let your demons take you to hell. Introduce them to heaven.
Some niggas go to college, some niggas go to jail.
You see it?
Make it into heaven. Ooh, some make it into hell.
I know I do.
Nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die.
DC3.
Nobody wanna care. The things we do just to make it through. Ooh, but nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die. We're just trying to live our lives.
Give me 10 minutes to drag on this Newport and let my mind sort, to have all my problems up the port. I'm sitting in the climatic emotion, man, with a drastic scenes. My heart's so broken right now, they feel like I traded place with a crack fiend. Mind's skittish, I'm lost on many levels. I'm not prepared to deal with my life as devils. The darkness, man, done coated my heart. Job well done, bitch, yeah, you done coated my heart. And this liquor, man, got me feeling real dumb, man, real numb. Fat for the moments, man, I can't feel the past, the scum. Seeing on these lyrics as I'm clashing. They say the moments arose and it filled with passion. When I'm kicking, man, it's the inspiration. Past demonstration moments, man, I feel persuasion. What I'm trying to do is relieve my head, man. Try to empty that bitch for the moments, man, I gotta be bred. I'm heading for that slide, for that guillotine. I'm simply coming through your soul, man, grab the means. Y'all don't understand the moments that I'm clicking. His soul is ripping, I'm the shit that taking, man, the reaper's kicking. They say my mind's in a trance. Living in this world, man, I say the last dance. But when it comes to these moments, man, and I'm ripping this mic, sitting in the floor, man, you gotta feel my hype, homie.
College, some niggas go to jail.
You see it?
Make it into heaven. Ooh, some make it into hell.
I know I do.
Nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die.
DC3.
Nobody wanna care. The things we do just to make it through. Ooh, but nobody wanna lose. Nobody wanna fail. Nobody wanna die. We're just trying to live our lives.
Cause I put my Yankee hat on, man, don't even bother turn to the back. Trying to keep myself full intact. When it comes to these lyrics, homeboy, I'm bending the limit. I'm talking Twilight Zone, homeboy, bending the limit. I mean, it's an outbreak of what you conjured up. In these words, man, I give up. Tell them how the mess I give up. When we turning out, man, it's grip instincts. Gripping out with primal moments, man, they grip the sink. So, y'all don't understand me. Caught back with these hammers. With a banana clip, tap with the grammar. I mean, when it comes to this country, lot of ridiculous shit. Sticking these words, man, I'm dead off in a dead mix. But y'all don't understand my behavior as it's touching. Ripper rush in my mind, it's steady stuttering. When it comes to me going off the hinge and page, I beloved in my soul, man, I begin to blaze. Any cats don't understand, man, my mind is like in a Rubik's Cube. Chessboards, man, I can't lose. I'm talking about putting myself to Scrabble boards. In this mind, man, it's torture, man, to grip the sword. I'm talking Blackbird singing, Nina Simone in these moments, man, and I'm steady ringing. Y'all don't understand, homie, I'm getting through. It's simple truth, man, again, and I'm too tough to lose.
College, some niggas go to jail.